This is Skate Eloominarty. I have come to address why I make my videos. You see, it isn't because of my strong hatred of Ollie tutorials, helmet-wearing teenagers, or red shirts wearing grown men. It is because I am the true voice of skateboarding. Who else but me exposes the worst of the skate industry? Is it Drew's Days? No. Is it iChannel or Jenkine Mag? No. You see, I am the voice that skateboarding needs. I am the voice that the world needs. People hate on me because they swore their loyalty to the Revive and Braille organization. I am here to expose the dark truths of these companies and their riders. Not only expose the cults of YouTube but also the scooter bullies and whoever defiles skateboarding. You people hate me. But the core skaters that still have a peace of mind love me. I am Skate Eloominarty.